Hey!
How are you?
Who are you?
How you doing? I know.
You've been in our house. We haven't even been in our house.
It's so crazy.
Crazy. This is little Leo. Megan and I currently live in Santa Monica, California. We have this beautiful new baby, Leo, that wants to be closer to grandma and grandpa. We bought a house sight unseen without ever walking foot inside the front door. We looked at pictures online, we did FaceTime, we did videos, but we've never actually stepped foot in our house. We felt this overwhelming feeling of like missing out on things. All our family's there, we miss out on the birthday parties, we miss out on all the big celebrations, and we want to slow down. We want to have animals. We don't know what we're getting ourselves into. A 1798 house. There was 20 other bids, and we couldn't put any contingencies on the offer. Sight unseen.
It's funny that I've seen your house before you guys have seen your house.
I know. Are we crazy?
Yeah.
We are crazy.
That's a little crazy.
I know. What are we in for?
I love it. Harley and I had the opportunity to walk through the property before the homeowners even saw it. We were blown away. This place is just magnificent. So what do you think? Still potential here, or?
A lot of potential.
This is like a real bad problem. Tiny, steep steps.
Treacherous.
They're on their way.
It's John!
Nice, John. This is
Welcome
incredible.
home.
Oh my God.
Well, I was so nervous for you guys.
It looks exactly the way I want to.
I love the metal roof.
It's just in such great shape with that
Yeah.
new roof, the chimney, all the brand new windows.
Yeah. Can we go see it?
You guys ready?
We're ready.
Yeah.
We're ready.
Let's go.
Let's do this. Gonna need to get that fixed.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's so small.
Oy. Feels much smaller. A little smaller than the pictures.
Ah! That was the one thing I was afraid that when you
Yeah.
guys came into the
Yeah.
house, it's a lot smaller than you
Yeah.
probably thought. But
Yep.
I mean, it's something you can work with. In
Yep.
old houses, they have their quirks. You just make it work. You just have to start
Yeah.
walking your house like this.
Leo's better not be too tall.
Ceilings in old houses are usually like 7 feet. And Jeff, he's really tall, and these ceilings are really short.
These beams are really nice.
It's
really
just so cool. Like when I come
Yeah.
into an old house and you look at a beam like this and you just see all the axe marks that somebody sat there and just took an axe and made a round tree into this square beam. You notice the floors?
I do.
You cannot find floors with this width and just that age.
I do wish they were less yellow.
We can sand this floor up a little, maybe give it a color, like just a richer stain. The fireplace, definitely original fireplace.
That looks great.
Just having the chimney centered in the room, it kind of gives divisions between the rooms. So you know, like, this is one room, that's another room. So many people want open concept living now. And if you want that, go get a new house. You cannot do that to a 1790s house. I mean, that is the charm, is having all these small rooms. So now that Leo's here, I want to show you guys your kitchen.
Leo, you ready?
I can already see that Megan and Jeff are utilizing being close to the family, and we got the grandparents already bringing baby Leo over.
Wow. This is awesome. This is the headspace.
Yeah. That's the old part. This obviously was an addition. The ceiling height is awesome. I love how they incorporated the old beams into the new structure, though.
Do you think all these beams are original?
I don't know. I just love the character of them. They're so cool. So what are you guys thinking for this space?
I'd love an island. I'm not a peninsula fan.
We gotta take that chimney down. It just chops up the space. It'd be great to have like an open kitchen. Do you think it's structural?
No, definitely not
Okay.
structural. I don't know why they decided to put it smack in the middle of this room.
So far, you don't seem scared about the project. So it's making us feel more comfortable.
This is like...
So we're not that crazy.
We're not that crazy. Tell us we're not crazy.
No, you guys are not crazy. I love this house. It has so much potential. The outside is in such great shape, and you love the look of it, so we don't need to do much out here. We'll do some light landscaping to really enhance the exterior. On the inside, we're gonna sand and stain the existing floors to give them a richer color while keeping that historic wide pine. We need to reconfigure these stairs. That way we can also give you a hallway into the kitchen, but let's also keep this original fireplace intact. Let's remove this brick chimney that's right in the middle of the kitchen and add a large island in its place. Since your washer and dryer are currently in the kitchen, we need to build a small pantry room where we can tuck them away, and this will also provide you extra storage.
So screaming straight, I won't cry. I can't die. Tell those thieves I'll be back again. Not the same. Is that blood running through my veins? Going not the same. Is that blood running through my...
We're giving the Cooperage main bath a little bit of personality with a patterned floor tile. The light gray and white add a subtle warmth to the otherwise white space. And the original floors are getting a good sanding and a new stain that's going to lighten up the whole space. The cabinets are coming in hot. The pickle crates add a vintage flair and add great storage to the pantry.
When you go up the stairs, I just want you to feel how nice it flows now. It's not a tripping hazard.
I like how dramatic you're making this.
This makes me so happy.
I have to admit, even I was tripping up the stairs with my tiny little feet. Wow. Just adding that one window in the main bedroom is such a huge difference.
This is my favorite bedroom. It's so bright and airy.
These windows, we need to put some sort of privacy shade in there. I love the idea of a little bit of small pattern, but a way of doing it in an affordable way.
Beat one, beat two, beat everything just to get through.
The beams have all been stained so they match, and that orange pine ceiling has been painted with a fresh coat of white paint. It really brightens the space up. Wave goodbye to that dilapidated chicken coop.
Whoa, I'm getting seasick.
We're adding ocean-themed perches and giving the place a nice fresh coat of color. Or is it a lack of color? It's black, which I just learned is a neutral. In the bedroom and bathroom, contrasting hardware and lights add depth. And the huge dried floral arrangement is blooming.
Oh, are you staring at the beams?
Yeah, I am.
They look good.
Yeah, I think it was a good choice to stain them, and the white ceiling, and that kind of brings it down and kind of anchors it.
Yeah, and it gives it that farmhouse warmth that they want. No, I feel 100% good about our decision now.
Jeff and Megan took a huge risk buying this house. And the moment I met them, I knew they would never regret it. All this old farmhouse needed was a family who wanted to take a chance. And now, that leap of faith is paying off.
Okay,
Here we go.
here we go. Do you think everyone's going to be excited that we're the new kids on the block?
I think so. They better watch out. It looks
Oh my gosh.
incredible. Oh, we're back!
Whoa! Look at it!
This is amazing. What happened here?
You guys have this classic wraparound porch, which is super cool, and gave you some new lights.
I mean, I loved it even before we did everything, and it's hard for me to believe, but I love it even more.
Yeah.
I already know you guys did a great job.
Can we go inside? Let's go.
Okay, go. Okay, here we go. I want to see a sprint. This looks
This is perfect.
so
This is
good.
perfect. This is incredible.
I'm like hyperventilating. It is so much brighter.
Yeah.
This is
Look
beautiful.
at the fireplace.
I'm really enjoying this whole foliage thing going on.
That is beautiful.
It's really nice.
I feel like we're looking at somebody else's house. Like, I can't believe that we get to live here. It's so incredible. You guys nailed it.
The biggest difference in here was just adding the windows and letting a lot of light in.
Before it was really dark and kind of felt like old. It doesn't feel like grandma's farmhouse. It feels like a young couple's farmhouse. You just brought this place back to life.
This is our house. This is it. We live here. And it's cool.
Do you think we can let them see the next space yet?
I think we should.
Oh my God. This is our house.
This is incredible. It looks incredible.
Looks so good.
So this space was chopped up with the chimney. You guys had the natural pine that was just very orangey. We painted out the whole ceiling.
I love that you kept the beams. It ties into the rich history of the home and the character. It just feels like you know us somehow, and it's all in this space. It feels so awesome. Thank you. This is incredible. It's unreal.
We still haven't gone through that antique door.
Oh.
Oh, pretty.
Hello. It's beautiful.
Beautiful. This is so
Perfect.
perfect.
Yeah.
Yes. This is huge. We have tons of space to put stuff in. It's great.
This pantry is now multi-purpose for you. We've moved the washer and dryer out of the kitchen, so it's still accessible. Plenty of storage in here.
These guys, they're old pickle crates.
You thought of all the details.
Not only do we have some more space upstairs, but you guys finally get to walk up these brand new stairs and tell us how you like them.
Okay.
Let's go.
Imagine not tripping up your staircase.
Oh, wow.
My whole foot fits on this tread.
I mean, who knew that would be the bar that we're working with, right? But in this house,
They were so treacherous, and I don't know if in colonial days people had little feet or I don't know why they did that.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
I have room. Like,
This is significantly bigger than I even imagined that it would be.
yeah. This is a big change.
This is a huge change.
I love the tile. This is awesome.
Do you remember this space? You guys had the clawfoot tub there.
Before it was tiny.
It was pretty tight.
All right, Jeff, I need to see if you fit underneath that shower head.
I hope I fit. Let's check it out.
I feel like this is the
It's the
dramatic
moment of truth. Dun, dun.
Oh!
No problem. Plenty of height.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect. Take me to the bedroom.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, wow. This is so cool.
This is beautiful.
This is really beautiful. Look at all the natural light now that we have two windows in here. It like fits it perfectly.
What do you think of these shades?
She's like, what do you think?
They kind of remind me of like little sand dollars.
Any potato ring a bell or
Is it cut potatoes that you stamped?
that?
Did you guys hand make our curtains?
We did.
I think it looks good.
I think it looks great.
We're keeping it. And the post and beam, like you really feel like you're in a farmhouse when you're in this room now.
You guys have 3 acres. It's a farmhouse. I wanted to do something for you guys to get you on your farming journey. I have something in the backyard that I want to show you.
Oh my goodness. What is happening over here?
So you guys made the move all the way from Santa Monica, California to Pelham, New Hampshire. And I wanted to recreate some beachy, like a a chicken shack. Jeff's Chicken Shack.
Oh, it's incredible.
This is so funny.
So we were so fortunate that this was already here. We gave it a fresh coat of paint, gave you a nice little beach, small little boardwalk.
This is incredible. Thank you.
I hope that your farming endeavors begin here.
It's about to begin right now.
Check out the inside.
Welcome to your chicken shack.
It's open for business. Oh my God. Hi,
They're
buddy.
huge. Oh, they have little waves in here. They're surfing the wave.
That's for the chickens at nighttime. They'll jump up there and they'll roost.
That's awesome.
Here, let's try out your perk.
Oh.
They're like riding the waves. Bye, guys. We can't thank you enough for all the work and hard work that you put into this and all the heart that you put into it.
When you guys walked into that house today, and I just felt your joy, and that brings me so much joy. Life changes are so hard to make. And I just think making this choice, moving to land, and oh my God!
John, let it out.
Give me 1 second. Keep it together. Keep it together.